Hello, everyone. Welcome to Interactive Classroom. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of robotics, a field where science, technology, and creativity come together to build amazing machines. Before we move further, let's take a quick look at the history of robotics. The term robot was first introduced by Czech writer Karel Čapek in 1921. In 1954, George Devol developed Unimate, the world's first programmable robot, which was later used in manufacturing industries. Over the years, robotics evolved rapidly with innovations such as Shaky, the first mobile robot, NASA's Mars Pathfinder, the Da Vinci surgical robot, and household robots like Roomba. Advances in artificial intelligence also led to smart systems such as chatbots, Siri, and AI powered robots. From helping in factories to exploring space, robots are becoming an important part of our daily lives. So let's begin our exciting journey into robotics. But first, what exactly is robotics? Robotics is a branch of technology, engineering, and science that focuses on designing, building, and operating robots. A robot is a machine that can perform tasks automatically with little or no human assistance. Some robots can follow simple instructions, while others can make decisions using sensors and computer programs. Today, robots are used in industries, hospitals, agriculture, homes, and even space missions. Have you ever wondered how robots work? Robots work by combining three important steps. First, they sense their surroundings using sensors. Next, a controller or computer processes the information and decides what action to take. Finally, motors and other moving parts help the robot perform the required action. For example, if a robot detects an obstacle in front of it, it can automatically change direction and continue moving safely. This process allows robots to interact with the world around them. Every robot is made up of several important components. Sensors help the robot collect information from its environment. The controller, often called the robot's brain, processes the information and makes decisions. Actuators and motors create movement, allowing the robot to walk, turn, lift, or perform other actions. A power supply, such as a battery, provides the energy needed for operation. Finally, the robot's body or structure holds all the components together. These parts work together to make a robot function effectively. Robots offer many advantages in different fields. They can work continuously without getting tired. Robots can perform repetitive tasks with high speed and accuracy. They can operate in dangerous environments where human safety may be at risk. Robots also help increase productivity and reduce human effort in many industries. Because of these benefits, robots are becoming increasingly important in modern society. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. We explored what robotics is and how robots are designed to perform tasks automatically. We learned how robots work using sensors, controllers, and motors. We also discovered the main components of a robot and the many advantages robots provide in our daily lives. Robotics continues to grow and shape the future in exciting ways. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about robotics. Keep exploring, keep creating, and stay curious about the amazing technologies shaping our world. See you in the next lesson.